Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are making this lovely tree ring acrylic pour. So let's get started. So I'm just going around in a circular motion, and as I keep going, the paint will spread. Now I'm going to take my torch lighter and go around the paint and remove any air bubbles. And now it's time to stretch. So you just kind of want to go around in a circular motion, kind of front to back, side to side, and you're just kind of reaching for your edges and your corners. As you can see, I did a previous painting on this canvas. I didn't really like the turnout, so I just wiped the paint off, and here we are making another painting. So you just want to take some of your drippings and go around and touch up your corners and your edges where you might have a bare area. So I am taking my torch lighter and I'm going along the paint again. And I'm also going around different areas of the painting. And I am bringing up some more color and bringing up tiny cells. I didn't use any silicone in this project, but I did use Floetrol. And Floetrol will also bring up cells. All right, look at this beautiful painting. Look at all the tiny cells the torch lighter brought up. The colors really look amazing. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment below. See ya!